A war of words between the Congress and BJP is only escalating after Modi's comment against Shashi Tharoor's wife. The Congress has hit back, questioning what action has been taken by the BJP against party leaders accused of corruption. Clearly, this no-holds-barred battle is likely to only intensify.
The gloves are off for a no-holds-barred fight. This political season, Congress and BJP's bitter war of words turns personal.
भाइयों बहनों बता दीजिए इस देश में कभी किसी ने 50 करोड़ की गर्लफ्रेंड देखी है?
But the man in question not taking the jibe, lying down.
She's priceless to me, and but you need to love somebody to be able to understand that.
But the attack and the counter-attack now entering the political arena, with their parties coming out in defense. While BJP insists that the meaning behind the words used should be looked into.
I think the manner in which this comment has been interpreted is really objectionable and problematic.
Congress has slammed the fierce personal attack.
And it was very derogatory on the part of the CM. He should not have spoken like that. You can't go on, targeting persons, people, and undermining their dignity.
It is, and ask him not to repeat, because this is going to hit him very badly.
The fight between the two political parties getting shriller, personal, and out of control. But is it now shifting focus from the real issues at hand? Bureau Report, Times Now.